Acting principal of Duncan's All-Age School suddenly passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. For the second time this week, another school administrator has collapsed and died. The Duncan's All-Age School in Trelawney lost its acting principal, Anne-Marie Linder, on Friday afternoon. Mrs. Linder was the vice principal but was acting as the principal is said to be on sick leave. This is the second school administrator to die suddenly within the last 24 hours. On Thursday, the Vere Technical High School in Clarendon was left in shock when the principal, Antoinette Benton Ellis, also died. This is the second school administrator to suddenly pass away within a 24-hour period. On Thursday, the Vere Technical High School in Clarendon was in shock when their principal, Antoinette Benton Ellis, also died. Miss Benton Ellis was a former principal of the Beulah Primary School, also in Clarendon. Before that, she taught at Spanish Town Primary and St. Aloysius Primary in Kingston. During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that another teacher has passed away within a 48-hour period, bringing the total number of teachers to pass away this week to 3. Links 007 TV will provide a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.